What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. And today I'm teaming up with Hisense to show you their new High Ultra Series mini split system. This isn't your average ductless system. This is a sleek, powerful, efficient, and smart ductless heat pump system. Let me give you 6 reasons why this thing rocks, and then I'll show you step by step how we install it the Pipe Doctor Home Services way. Let's go! We got 6 amazing features. Let me start with number 1, easy installation. You got a built-in level right on the wall mount bracket. Plus you got these 2 spaces on the left and right hand side, making it easy for you to connect the liquid and gas line, the vapor line, on the line set behind the unit. Number 2, easy maintenance. With an easy to disassemble structural design, cleaning those horizontal blades, and maintaining the stepper motors, you're gonna save 60% of your time. And it's easy to clean with an integrated filter right on top of the unit for much higher sealing and better dust prevention. Number 4, temperature and humidity dual control. Number 5, and what's probably is the high nano feature. But let's not forget, last but not least, Wi-Fi control. There's nothing like saying, "Hey Alexa, set the dining room ductless to 70 degrees. Hisense got you covered. All right, now that the unit is installed level, we ran the communication wire, our drain hose, and our line set to the outside. Now we do have to respect a 7-inch of minimum height between our ceiling and the top of the unit. So instead of being on top of the doorway here like you typically see them, we don't want to drill through that header either. We got it installed right on the side wall here. It'll blow into the kitchen. Perfect. We're going to connect our electrical, clean up the wall, put a cover there, and then focus our attention on the outside.
One feature which I need to stress is the built-in supporting brackets on the left and right hand side played a vital role in the ease of installation of the indoor evaporator unit.
All right, now that our line set is installed, we're going to install the wall mount outdoor bracket. That's going to secure the outdoor condenser unit. That's going to keep the unit off the ground above our snow line and secure to the home. Beautiful. All right, we are now wiring the line voltage to the unit, and because we're using stranded wire, we have these crimp-on terminals that are going to go on L1, L2, and our ground. And you'll also notice for our communication wire, also stranded wire, so we'll use the same crimp style terminal connectors. Once Daniel gets his hands out of the way. Flaring's a breeze with the NAVAC automatic flaring tool. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we're almost done. Now, I always preach, a good technician is observant of their surroundings, and that includes RTFM. Read the factory manual. If you read the factory manual, You will learn that on page 18, for 1/4-inch diameter pipe, which is 6.35 millimeters, for all you guys who are not smart enough to be on the Imperial system, you're going to tighten down this torque to 11 to 15 pounds. If you got a 1/2 inch, which we're going to be using here with the 1/4 inch, you're going to torque that between 37 to 41 pounds. There you go. 37, 41.
34, 35, 36, 37.
Bingo. And there we have it.
Oops.
All right, we have our vacuum hose and micron gauge set up to our field piece vacuum pump. Let's vacuum her down. By the way, we started at 8 a.m. here. All right, we're gonna bring her down to about 500 microns. We're probably gonna go lower than that. And then we're gonna do a decay test. Now, as HVAC professionals, we need to make sure that our system is tight and dry. We need to get rid of all of those non-condensables out of the line set. If we have any non-condensables in the line set, we could cause system damage, and it's just not good overall for the system and the refrigerant. We're going to try to bring this down as low as possible. We are already at 1900 microns, 1800 microns, 17, 16. This is going to be a really, really, really nice install. I did mention that one of the 6 things I love about the Hisense, easy install, easy peasy. Yeah, I'm tired of straining my neck looking at that. Let's just look at our Blue Vac app on our iPad here. 520 microns and dropping. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. That is a nice and tight system. 490 and dropping. How low do you go? Let me get your thoughts and feedback in the comment section down below. All right, 245 microns. Let's close the valve. All right, we still got a little way to go. She did jump up there, and that is expected. But we're not climbing crazy, but let's open her back up. Give her a few more moments. Now I'm going to give you guys an unofficial pro tech tip. When you're installing the line set and you're utilizing the left side as an exit point, do yourself a favor. When you're running your line set behind the unit where you make the liquid and suction line connections, cut the insulation off one of the line sets and wrap the uninsulated line set inside the other one, and then use the supply tape to wrap that nice and tight. Because if you don't do it, you're not going to be able to push the unit against the wall, because the 2 copper lines, especially the 1/2 inch and higher, the 1/2 inch, there's some insulation there and it's not going to want to go against the wall. But if you take the insulation off, you'll make it happen every single time. The decay has passed. Beautiful. Hey Alexa, set the dining room ductless to 70 degrees. Low maintenance, easy to clean filters, quiet as a whisper. And the Ultra Hisense, and the Hisense High Ultra looks like fire in any room. Modern, traditional, and whatever. Whether it's a bedroom, home office, or garage, from 9,000 to 24,000 BTUs, there's a Hisense High Ultra model for you. And the best part, Hisense backs it up with a solid warranty and a full support after the install. This is a system you can trust. Installed right, it's built to last. And did I mention the easy installation, easy to clean, easy maintenance, Wi-Fi control, temperature and humidity dual control with high nanotechnology? The Hisense may just be for you. Thanks to Hisense for letting me share this. If you want a ductless mini split that looks good, runs great, and works smart, and is cost effective, this is for you. Mikey Pipes, signing off.